Let's begin by arriving together, allowing your eyes to close or letting your gaze fall softly to the floor in front of you. Take a moment to feel your body in contact with the chair or the cushion, whatever is supporting you. Notice the weight of your body, the points of contact, your feet on the floor, your hands resting. There's nowhere to go, nothing to fix. For these next 15 to 20 minutes, this is the only place you need to be. And now, letting your body rest comfortably and letting your attention travel among the entire body, not as a concept, but as a felt sensation. Noticing your feet, any warmth, any tingling. Simply be with what is here. Let awareness move slowly upward to the calves, the thighs, the belly. Notice the chest. Any tension held here? Any holding? Simply noticing. And now moving to the shoulders, the neck, the jaw. See if you can soften just ever so slightly in any of these places where we often hold tension. The body is always in the present moment, and whenever the mind wanders, and it will, the body can bring you home. And now, let your attention settle on the breath, not controlling it, just noticing the natural movement of air in and air out. You might feel the breath at the nostrils, a slight coolness on the inhale, a warmth on the exhale. Or perhaps the rise and fall of the chest or belly speaks more clearly to you. There is no right way, just this breath. And now this one. Noticing how you know your body's breathing. And at some point, perhaps very soon, you'll notice that the mind has wandered. You'll find yourself in the middle of a conversation that hasn't happened yet, or replaying something from yesterday. This is the practice, not the wandering, the returning. And when you notice the mind has drifted, see if you can gently, warmly, kindly note what pulled you away by naming it, planning, remembering, worrying. Just a quiet, friendly recognition. And then, without any self-criticism, simply returning to the breath, just like coming home. Returning to the breath, even if it's 100 times, welcoming it kindly. And now, let's let our anchor shift from the breath to sound. Open your hearing in all directions. The sounds of your own body, the sounds of others that might be in the room with you, the sounds in this room. Noticing any sounds outside the room, in the building. noticing sounds outside the building. Out on the street, the sounds in the town. You might notice there are sounds you like and sounds you don't. See if you can receive sound without labeling it as good or bad. Just sound arising, sound passing. Sound is particularly useful as an anchor because it is inherently impermanent. Every sound, like our breath, begins and ends. We practice letting go with every passing sound. And now that we've explored a few anchors that we can return to over and over again, let's turn directly toward the mind's activity. Imagine you're sitting next to a flowing stream. It's fall. The leaves have turned and have begun to fall. You notice upstream, the leaves are falling into the stream, and you can easily follow them as they flow downstream and out of sight. Imagine each leaf that falls is a single thought. The leaf falls, drops into the stream, and you watch it slowly flow down and out of sight. Notice that you are the witness to the leaf or the thought. You only follow it so far. You also don't need to follow it. You don't need to stop them. You just simply notice. The leaf falls. The leaf floats down. A thought is here. When a thought does intrigue you and you find yourself following it downstream, no need for shame or judgment. Simply notice, I got pulled in. Or here is a thought about the future. Or here is a story about what someone thinks of me. Here is a worry about. Just naming it with gentle, almost an affectionate tone. As Tara Brach often suggests, what if you could meet your own mind the way you'd meet a beloved friend? Without judgment, with curiosity, and with patience. You might try saying inwardly, I see you, thinking, not fighting the thought, not following it, just simply, I see you. And here is the most remarkable thing. The moment you notice a thought, you have already stepped outside of it. Awareness is not the thought. You are the one who notices. We'll practice this noticing for another 1 or 2 minutes. No guidance here, just practicing on your own. Now gently let the instructions go. Simply rest as awareness itself, open, quiet, present. Whatever is here, let it just be here. The hum of the room, the sensation of breath, the rumbling tummy, the arising and passing of thoughts like clouds in a vast sky. You are the sky, not the weather. And when you are ready, take one conscious breath, allow the eyes to open, and we'll return our attention back to the room.